been almost a week with the S25 Ultra out in the world. I wouldn't say fully, it's still just on pre-order. There's one aspect of it that is causing massive drama. The S Pen. Welcome back to SamMobile TV. You're here with Daniel. I want to talk about the S Pen. I feel like this has been a really hot topic, especially in the last few days on X, on social media, because there's been a lot of confusion about what this can do. So let's go back a little bit. Samsung announced the S25 Ultra. Slowly word starts getting around that the Bluetooth features are gone. There was a slight leak beforehand. Not many people wanted to believe it, but it doesn't work. So why have Samsung removed it? Well, easy answer that we got is that no one was using it. Less than 1% of customers were actually picking up this S Pen and using it like a magic wand to control the phone, take photos, control music. That was what was happening. My personal belief is that just because that happens, just because no one's using it, doesn't mean it shouldn't be there. Because as a tool, this S Pen had become pretty much the go-to for people. You could take notes, you could also control the phone, take photos. And even though you don't use it a lot, knowing it's there is more secure than it not being there. Because you might just use it once a year at Christmas time to take photos with your family. You might use it to take photos of the night sky, and that might happen once every 12 months as well. But you use it because it's there. When it's not there and knowing it's not there, that removes a bit of a tool away from you. It's kind of like a Swiss Army knife. You're not going to use every tool on the Swiss Army knife all the time, but when you need it, they're there for you in your pocket. This is the same, or at least it was. The second aspect, I guess, to the removal of it is design. Samsung drastically thinned out the phone and also made it a lot lighter. And whatever was in this silo, whether that be the charging coil, whether that be the little Bluetooth low energy, it's not there anymore. So it's not charging the pen, and the pen is also probably lighter because of it, because it hasn't got a capacitor battery in it and charging coils to keep it charged. So that probably doesn't remove the entire weight of the phone, like the, 232 to 218. It's maybe 5 grams that it saved, but it's substantial enough that it has made a difference overall. What happened subsequently from that is there was a couple of articles and some listings on Amazon, which has caused a lot of confusion. Let me try and clear it up. Firstly, there was an article posted on a website called insights.samsung.com. Seems official, right? It's a Samsung official website. It's a website commissioned by Samsung, and there was an article on there which said, as point number 7 in the 7 best ways to use the S Pen on the S25 Ultra, gestures. In that section, it said Bluetooth S Pen sold separately, or now sold separately. Someone found this, and I don't know how they find this stuff, but they found it, put it on the internet, and without thinking too much more, another bit of evidence came to light that Amazon UK had the S Pen sold separately with gesture control built in. Wow. Didn't the internet latch on to this? And I don't blame them, realistically. But what I do blame is the subsequent furor that people that didn't research enough, because then from there it spread like wildfire, like it was confirmed. When if you really just simply dug into both of these platforms or both of these, I guess, bits of evidence, you'll find that there's some questions to be asked. Number one, the Insights website, whilst it's commissioned Samsung USA Electronics website, it is also a website that freelance journalists are commissioned to write articles for. And very rarely is it a Samsung employee, if at all, that posts on there. It's freelance journalists, and they are usually doing so to try and, I guess, earn some money from Samsung. At the bottom of the website, and I guess this protects Samsung because if they don't necessarily check all the articles that go on here, they can say, well, look, did you read the disclaimer? Some people clearly didn't think they needed to. The disclaimer reads, and I'll put it up on the screen, basically to the effect that Samsung Mobile Electronics does not share, or mostly does not share, the expressions or opinions of the freelance journalists that publish here. Effectively meaning that these journalists are posting here, not necessarily reflecting the opinions and expressions of Samsung Electronics USA. So that article potentially wasn't vetted, and then also the disclaimer sort of says, hey, this doesn't reflect our opinion because it's not true. And it's not. Every bit of evidence we got before Unpacked was that Samsung said unequivocally, we removed the function. It's not there. Hardware is not supported. Not only that, the S Pen Pro doesn't work. I've tried. In this article as well, the journalist references AI Select, which is the new function in the Edge panel and with the S Pen, as Smart Select. It's not called that anymore. So it makes me think that they potentially have compiled this article off bad information. Next, we'll look at the Amazon listing. Well, there was actually two, Amazon UK and Amazon Australia. The Amazon UK one said pretty much all the functions that the S24 Ultra S Pen has got, but it didn't say it as if it was in a way like the phone doesn't support it, so you need to have this accessory to get it. It was just listing functions of the pen like they've always been there. And with the model code that was expressed on this Amazon UK listing, I then looked up the model code on Samsung's website. They were the same, but Samsung's website has absolutely no mention of Bluetooth functionality or whatsoever. A Samsung official product page has a lot more hoops to go through than an Amazon listing. A Samsung official product page has to go through legal, has to go through marketing teams, then has to be ticked off and signed off before it can even see a website for a consumer to visit. I trust that because it's true. There is no Bluetooth S Pen, at least not now. Samsung may see all of this and decide to make one, but I can also tell you another thing. Samsung, since seeing the response to the S Pen, haven't designed, developed, made packaging for, manufactured, and then got ready for shipping thousands and thousands and thousands of S Pens that enabled Bluetooth just because a couple people on Twitter said they weren't happy. That has absolutely not happened. As powerful as Samsung are in manufacturing, there's no chance that's happened. I recorded this video literally yesterday, and in that time we did contact Samsung and we have heard back, not just through us, but there's other official channels now as well, which have categorically confirmed there is no Bluetooth S Pen support, nor is there an accessory currently available. And the Insights article has already had removed point 7 about the gestures. So I'm glad that we were able to sort of action this and get on top of it. And what you're going to hear from me now is sort of the reaction that the internet had upon thinking it was confirmed a little bit too quickly and why I don't agree with it. So after seeing those two things and then seeing Samsung's website, I was 99.9% sure there was no Bluetooth S Pen, especially because the Australia listing said that the S Pen clips onto the back of the phone. So I don't know where all this has happened. It's maybe that was the Tab S10 Ultra S Pen that they've copied and pasted and changed to Tab S25 Ultra. I have no idea how that's happened, but they are mistakes, plain and simple. Anyone telling you otherwise to try and sell an affiliate link or make you buy the S25 Ultra under false pretenses so they can earn a commission, that is not appropriate. And I'm here to tell you, please upgrade to this phone if you like what it offers. Don't upgrade right now if you're not sure about Bluetooth functionality, because even though I'm confident there is no Bluetooth S Pen on the market, and even though I'm sure that there likely won't be one, I can't guarantee it. What I can tell you is don't upgrade with the promise that it will, because, well, at the moment it doesn't. Plain and simple. The last part that people like to test out is whether other S Pens are supported. And yes, other S Pens are supported. You can grab an S Pen from an old tablet from 10 years ago. Allow me to show you. This is, I don't even remember what it's called. It's a Galaxy Tab 10.1 or something from years ago. And it has an S Pen. This S Pen uses the same technology to write on the screen. Look at that right here. And I will. Bang. Here I've got the S23 Ultra. I'll take the pen out. All right. Launch the camera. And when the camera is launched, the Air Command menu turns purple. And that's because it shows you what's capable with the air actions of the pen. This will also show me that if I hold it near it. This pen does not have Bluetooth, but look, it's showing me the air actions. Simple, that's it. And that doesn't mean it's going to click and snap a photo. And look at this, the S25 Ultra S Pen also shows the menu. I even tried putting this pen into here and it does register. There is a little vibration and see, and it pulls out and that comes up. There's no pairing because there's no Bluetooth in here. There's no wireless charger in here. This S Pen will work, but there will be no, as you can see, it's taking a photo on the S23 Ultra. Another thing too, someone asked me on Twitter, this got your S Pen notification is not tied to Bluetooth. The way it works is if you take your pen out of your phone and then you get up and walk away from the phone via proximity, it activates that. There it is, got your S Pen. So for now, it's case closed. I don't want to hear anything else about it. Let's just move on. We know it's not there. Let's just enjoy this phone for what it is. Hit subscribe to SamMobile TV. I just kind of made this impromptu because I felt like it needed to be talked about. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.